Welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to import data into RStudio. So basically what you'll need to do is open Excel file that you want to import and click on File, then Save As, and click Browse. After that you'll need to create a custom file name, and for the Save As type, this is important, select CSV UTF-8, so comma delimited. Then click Save, and you can now minimize the Excel. Right here, what you'll need to do is open RStudio and open the console. And in the console, what we need to write is data1. So that means we are going to name that data1. Now you can enter read.csv file.choose and then brackets, then add comma, and header equals t. And now what you can do is click enter. This will open File Explorer. Now select CSV file, and as you can see right here, you imported the data that you need. So basically, if you double click on the data1, you'll be able to view the data. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.